there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't waste your hard-earned cash on junk. Today, we're pitting two flying tech wonders against each other: the Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal 4K GPS drone and the Gleesfun G11MINI drones. Which drone will rise to new heights and which will crash and burn? Let's find out. Let's start with the price. Because who doesn't love talking about money, right? The Potensic Atom is priced at $449, while the Gleesfun G11MINI is a more wallet-friendly $299. Reviewers generally appreciate the cost-effectiveness of the Gleesfun G11MINI, making it a great option for those on a budget. Next up, weight and portability. Both of these drones are under 249 grams, which means no FAA registration. The Potensic Atom is extremely lightweight and can easily fit in your pocket. Reviewers note its portability as a major plus. The Gleesfun G11MINI is also light and compact, but comes with a camera shield, which reviewers love for added durability. So if you're prone to accidents, the Gleesfun G11MINI might be the better choice. Now, on to the cameras. The Potensic Atom boasts a Sony CMOS sensor and records 4K at 30 FPS, with a 3-axis gimbal for extremely stable shots. Reviewers are impressed by its picture and video quality. On the other hand, the Gleesfun G11MINI offers 4K at 25 FPS or 2.7K at 50 FPS with a 120 degrees FOV. Reviewers appreciate its adjustable camera angle and say it's almost like having a GoPro in the sky. Both drones excel in camera quality, making this a tie. Flight time is crucial for any drone enthusiast. The Potensic Atom offers a whopping 96 minutes of flight time with 3 batteries, and it charges in just 1.5 hours. Reviewers love its long battery life and quick charging. The Gleesfun G11MINI, on the other hand, offers 60 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. While this is decent, it doesn't quite match up to the Potensic Atom. Thus, the Potensic Atom takes the win for flight time. Let's talk distance. The Potensic Atom can fly up to 6 km, and reviewers commend its strong anti-interference capabilities. The Gleesfun G11MINI can go up to 1,640 feet, which is decent, but significantly less than the Potensic Atom. Reviewers find the range acceptable for casual flying, but not for long-distance adventures. Therefore, the Potensic Atom wins in terms of range and transmission. What about smart features and ease of use? The Potensic Atom comes with visual tracking, quick shots, and an auto-return feature. Reviewers appreciate its beginner-friendly design and advanced tracking features. The Gleesfun G11MINI also has follow mode, circle mode, waypoint mode, and auto-return. It's praised for being easy to control and suitable for both adults and kids. Both drones are great for beginners, but the Gleesfun's camera shield might give it a slight edge for those prone to accidents. Reviewers love the Potensic Atom for its stability, range, and impressive camera quality. It's often recommended as a great starter drone with advanced features. On the other hand, the Gleesfun G11MINI is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and durable design. It's a solid option for those looking for a reliable and budget-friendly drone. So who's the winner? It depends on what you're looking for. If you want a drone with longer flight time and more range, go for the Potensic Atom. But if you're on a budget and need a stylish, durable, and easy-to-use drone, the Gleesfun G11MINI is your new best friend. Thanks for watching, smart shoppers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly high and buy smart.